Yo, do that. It's me, Charlie. Got a minute? Let me tell you about myself. Wait, I'll tell you what. Let's go somewhere. How about let's go to the beach? Dog beach. Dog park? Dog shops? Dog restaurants? Dog friends? Dog camping? Dog jogging? Dog movies. Just kidding about the movie. Unless you got a really big bag to put me in. Hey, you got a ball? Watch me in action, dude. I love to play. You can take me just about anywhere. I'm cool. You need a partner? Just so happens I need a partner. You like to run? I love to run. Swim? I'm in. Come on, let's get together. Let's you and me become partners for life. You'll never regret it.